latest attacks came after Zulu King Goodwill Zwelithini publicly said immigrants should pack their bags and leave the country. The comments made during a traditional event north of KwaZulu-Natal province were widely reported.
There's a team of Zulu people, South African, they come to us and chatting that the king said foreigners must go back to their countries. They started beating us, looting our shop, taking our belongings. And we had no power. We have to call the police. And when the police came, they were not able to control the situation. They just escort us to the police station. And from the police station, there's no way they transport us and bring us in this ground.
Locals and African immigrants in South Africa often compete for scarce jobs, making them a target for violence and intimidation.
There is no future here anymore because right now, the time we are talking here, they still break the shop there. Domain, there is no future. Insecurity, there is nothing. We can't even move from here to seeing where we operate. Domain, really, there is no future. And the people still tell us, you don't have to stay here. The king say you're not supposed to be here, you must leave.
We are asking the authorities to move us somewhere where we'll have peace because we're really suffering. It's raining and we're under this tarpaulin. Our children are suffering too much.
Earlier this year, foreign shopkeepers in and around Soweto, south of Johannesburg, were forced to vacate their premises after violence and looting broke out. The government condemned the violence and sent mediation teams to intervene. In 2008, 62 people were killed in xenophobic violence in Johannesburg townships. Mahia Mutua, CCTV.